The world is changing. And so is technology. And that's why we created PureMark. PureMark is the next generation of wireless presentation visual technology for the AI era. PureMark is a presenter, an easy-to-use air mouse, a magnifier, a content marker, a display control, and a web surfer, all from the palm of your very own hand. Simply connect PureMark to any device with an HDMI input and unlock a wealth of interactive actions in one simple-to-operate device. PureMark features a real-time indicator to direct your viewer to important information related to your presentation that is anti-shake. And if you need a few moments to explain the current screen, PureMark will hold its position for 1.5 seconds before vanishing so you can stay on task. And with a simple long press, PureMark switches to mouse-like features that provide you full control. With the marker button, feature pertinent information for your entire conference to keep everyone on track. Or remove a marker already in place with a double click. And if you are in mouse mode, use the marker button just like a left click. With the zoom button, a simple click and drag will expand any area you choose for easy selection, a larger reading area, or greater detail in imagery. And in mouse mode, the zoom acts just like your right click for standard PC functions. And finally, use the arrow buttons to advance forward or back in presentation pages, or scroll any website you desire. PureMark features a no-delay, long-range 2.4 GHz connection speed, ensuring an instant response, free range of movement, and a built-in rechargeable battery so you are always ready to present. Controlling your entire presentation from one simple device boosts creativity, efficiency, and engagement. Plus, with PureMark's superposition technology, you get unmatched real-time operation, no software to install, no operating system or application software limitations, and it's simple and easy to use. Truth is, innovation is inevitable. It inspires the core of human advancement, and with PureMark, you'll be on the cutting edge of the future of technology.